Hi, I'm Cornell Reddick from Halifax, Nova Scotia.
I'm Ethan Turnbull from New Brunswick.
International Experiences Canada is a visa program designed for Canadians aged 18 to 35. This is so they can travel and work abroad in over 30 countries. Learning about the program, we learned economic and social experiences International Experience Canada has to offer for citizens.
We discussed problems youth from rural and remote communities deal with when even applying to the program, the financial cost associated with traveling abroad, as well as the fear of culture shock. We spoke about issues regarding the truth and reconciliation angle, as well as the general mistrust Indigenous communities may have for government programs such as International Experiences Canada. Elders may often discourage the idea of travel to their youth because they're concerned for leaving the community. We discussed structural racism and how some communities outside of Canada and countries won't have the same work protections for people of color that Canada may have. Communities of color may not be interested in the program because the countries available are largely white. The options of countries could even be seen as forms of structural racism.
The Canada that we want is one with more diverse options for countries in which we can work and travel with abroad. We want to include affordable travel for those living in rural and remote communities, where youth and parents are more informed on the benefits and options for international travel and work, so youth do not have to feel anxious and alone while abroad.
The solutions we recommend to get there are connections between local and community centers and national community centers to support youth while abroad, campaign of parents of youth for parents of youth considering going abroad, develop starter kits that guide youth on how to travel and work abroad, practical information sessions with travel advice in areas where youth gather, particularly to negotiate agreements with African and South American countries to develop more diverse opportunities and selections.